Highly upgraded bathroom. Oh, look at the shower and plantation shutters throughout. I am just getting all set up for my morning and afternoon. It's got a lovely kitchen. It's big. Yes, we have seen the active inventory drop because there's more competition on the market. Well, demand has risen like you wouldn't believe. This price point in Anaheim Hills and Orange area of 700 to 800,000 is very popular for the entry-level buyer, believe it or not. And if you're thinking of buying, I would recommend you pull the trigger and write an offer. What I like best about this house are the plantation shutters. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story home. It's got a view, and the HOAs are very low here, so that's good.
And that's it for me, explaining the whole buying process to client Carla with First Team. Thanks.